Hi, welcome to Lalo's World. Today we're going to talk about how to use the Reddit mobile app. Be sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you get notified when more content is posted. If you don't already have Reddit installed, open the app store of your choice and search for Reddit. Tap on the first result and download the app. When you have the app downloaded, open it. When you open Reddit for the first time, you'll be greeted with this welcome screen. This is where you can sign in or sign up with your email of choice. All you need is a username, email, and password. Once you are logged in, you'll see a search bar at the top, your profile picture to the left, and below those, 3 sections titled Home, Popular, and Awarded. The Home section tailors your feed to what subreddits you're interested in. If you click this button, you'll be able to choose a multitude of options. The Popular section shows the most popular posts from all of Reddit. And the Awarded section shows you posts which have received the most awards. Awards can be bought with Reddit coins, which we will get into later. Reddit posts are ordered based on this thing called votes. Any user can upvote or downvote a post. The more upvotes a post has, the more likely it'll be seen. This concept is called Reddit karma, which we'll also talk about later in the video. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you'll see 5 icons. The first is the screen we're on now, with all the sections of Reddit. The second is called the subscription feed, where you can view the top growing communities on Reddit and create your own custom feed. The third is the new post button, which allows you to upload a new post. The fourth is your chat screen, where other Reddit users can direct message you, and you can join community chat rooms. The final icon is your inbox, where you can find any notifications, messages, and mail from moderators. To create a new post, we're going to tap the third icon with a pen inside it. You'll then be able to choose 5 different ways to post. You can post a link to a website, an image, a video, text, where you can put anything you want just in a text box, or a poll. Before posting anything to Reddit, be sure to check out the specific subreddit's rules. Each subreddit has their own rules, and in the mobile app, it can be found usually in the About section. If you scroll down, there's a subreddit rules category. Take a look at each rule and make sure you aren't violating any before you post. Back to our example, we'll post an image this time. So we'll click on the image button and be greeted with the new post screen. Here, you can upload your image and choose a title for your post. Then, you get to choose the subreddit you would like to post on. There are thousands of subreddits to choose from, and you can browse them all at the home screen to find one you'd like to upload to. Because I'm uploading a picture of a dog, I could go to the r/dog subreddit, and if I was uploading a picture of a cat, I can go to the r/cat subreddit. For this example, I'm going to choose r/aw, as I'm posting a picture of a dog, and that subreddit usually accepts cute pictures of dogs or cats or any other animals. Once you have all the information you wish, you can click the Post button. Your post is then added to the subreddit you chose. If you want to see your post, you can simply go to the subreddit you posted on. Another quick way is to check out your profile, which can be found by clicking your profile picture in the top left of the home screen and clicking on My Profile. Here, you can see all of your posts, your comments on other users' posts, and your About page. You can customize your profile by adding a display name, an About section, a profile picture, and a background image to be displayed on your profile. If you go back, you can see your post karma, how long you've had your account, and settings. Your Reddit post karma is basically a counter to tell you how many upvotes or downvotes your profile has received throughout its lifetime. If one of your posts has 50 upvotes, but another one of your posts has 10 downvotes, then your Reddit karma will be 40. A good goal on Reddit is to have a high karma. You can achieve this by posting awesome content and following all of Reddit's rules. Below that, you'll see Reddit coins and Reddit premium. Reddit coins buy those awards I talked about earlier. If you really like a post you find on Reddit, you can give the user Reddit gold or Reddit silver, which is bought with these Reddit coins. These show other Reddit users which posts are the best on the site. Reddit Premium allows you to pay a monthly subscription for ad-free Reddit. It also gives you 700 coins per month and gives you access to a private subreddit called r/lounge. That is the Reddit app in a nutshell. This was on the Android app, but all this applies to the iOS app as well. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave them down below. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out other videos on this channel.